Water, water everywhere until you soar up in the air. You then see kayaks, trees and logs, and if you're lucky, some swimming dogs. Lakes and rivers, my oh my, nature's wonders from the sky. Take it in, have your mind blown. Don't let the dog attack the drone. From every ocean to every sea, this land was made for you and me. And all the animals and every pest, get out and go, nature handles the rest. What you waiting for? We'll soon all be dead. The world out there's just like Grandma said, waiting for us, not coming our way. Watch this dog hop this log, it'll brighten your day.